Okay, so basically right now what you have is your IXL form and you should have your IXL digital notebook. I changed it a little bit, so you have your forms and then you just upload a picture of your work on your digital notebook when you're practicing IXL. But the first thing I'm going to show you again is how to log in. So what you have to do is click on that blue C, that's Clever. So go to Clever. And when you go to Clever, it says here IXL. But the reason why it's in my favorites is because I gave it a heart. So if you scroll down, it's going to say to instant login apps, you click IXL. And that's how you log in. It's going to automatically log you into IXL. And that's the first thing you need to do. It has to say your name on here so that you know that you are logged in. Now, after you are done with your skills, what I just want to make sure is for your digital notebook, you're going to put your SMART score right here. That's the score that you got. And you're going to put a picture of your scratch paper or the work that you did on over here.